Acme Concrete Raising and Repair specializes in the raising and stabilization of interior slabs and floors. Sunken floors can result in unlevel surfaces, which can cause trip hazards at cracks or joints. Failing subgrades create voids, leaving slabs unstable and susceptible to cracking and sinking. Acme Concrete has extensive experience raising and supporting concrete within commercial office spaces, warehouses, and residential buildings. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, along with their smart lift system, is the ultimate solution for settled concrete.